Married to my wine bottle at alcoholic.com? Who is this? Hey guys, did you verify this email? There is no way this is a real email. Okay, we definitely need to talk about email verification. Hey guys, it's me, Sophia, and today we're gonna see how important email verification is during the account creation and activation process, and we're gonna see how to implement this feature with Ory. Email verification is usually used to verify that a person is real and who they say they are. From a business perspective, this can help limit requests from spam, fake accounts, or other malicious requests. Based on your scenario, you can decide how to deal with verified versus unverified users. For example, a few reasons to limit their access to APIs and application features would be to prevent unwanted soliciting, or prevent unwanted messages to verified users, or to limit their access to sensitive data. Let's see how to configure this feature in the Ory console. After logging in your Ory console, scroll down in your menu bar and go to email verification. Here you have two options: enable email and phone verification and require verified address for login. The second one is the option we are going to switch on. Let's see how to make a request via Postman and see how the Ory response in this case differs from the normal registration procedure without email verification. Let's send a request to Ory by getting the registration flow ID. Copy the ID and use it as a parameter for the next request. Go to body, enter your body, your password, and your email address. Send the request. As you can see, you get a session token, but if you scroll down in the body, you will notice that the verified value is on false, which means that the user hasn't verified their email yet. If you now try to log in, Ory will complain and will send you a message. Did you forget to verify your email address? Go to your emails, click on the button Verify your email, enter your email address. Go back to Postman. You get your session token and the login was successful. Scrolling down, you will notice that the verified value has changed to true and the user is verified. Let's see now how this feature could look like in your final application. Go to the Ory demo page and select email verification as the use case you want to test. As usual, enter your email and a password. Once you click on the register button, a message appears telling you to verify the email first. In case you did not receive the email, just click on the resend email button. Cool! That was not complicated at all and actually very useful. So make sure you have the feature email verification active in your Ory project. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video with other exciting Ory features. Bye!